What's up, wagwan everybody? Welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Jody, and on this channel we just like to talk about all things body care, hygiene. We love to haul hygiene products around here, so if that's something that you're interested in, please consider sticking around by hitting that subscribe button and becoming part of the family. As you guys just saw, I grabbed a package from my front door, this box right here, and this is from Bath and Body Works. So I did a haul online a few days ago. Was not very long at all, so this package came really quick, so I'm happy about that. And I picked up one thing from Amazon just recently and another thing from walmart.com, so I wanted to just, you know, combine everything and show you guys all of those. So yeah, we're just gonna jump right into it. The first product that I want to share with you is the one that I picked up from Amazon. So you guys, I am loving this product. I am so happy that I found it. I was just scrolling on Amazon and it just popped up, and I am so happy because this is just perfect. It's definitely a summer staple, and I could not keep all this goodness to myself. So the product that I'm talking about is this by Vaseline. So this is a body shimmer oil, and it is called Illuminate Me. You guys, so this is a must-have, especially if you're melanin rich. I highly recommend this. Now, what I am loving about this product is that it was in co-creation with 3 Black influential women. So let me look them up. We have beauty influencer, her name is Shalom Black, and I absolutely love her YouTube channel. We also have a professional tennis player, her name is Sloane Stevens, and then we also have a multimedia artist, her name is Christina Martinez. So I don't know if you guys could see that on the bottle, but there's a silhouette of a Black woman, and her skin is just glowing from all that shimmer and sheen. She just got a beautiful sheen, and she's also rocking an afro, and she just looks like a goddess. Like, that's literally what I get when I look at this bottle, and also when I wear the product. So when you put this on, you won't feel like you dosed yourself in highlighter and shimmer, because sheen is very subtle. When you wear it, it will look so natural. It will look like you was just maybe out in the sun and it was just a little bit hot, and you probably got like a little bit of sweat just coming out on your skin. Not too much, just that, like, you know, that sexy subtle sweat sheen that you could get sometimes when you're out in the heat. That is what this gives you. I promise you, you'll love this if you try it. If you're looking for something that's gonna be super shimmery and just like in your face, this is definitely not it, because this is subtle, but it'll definitely do something for your skin. So next, I want to show you this little set that I picked up from walmart.com. It's just this cute little cardboard case, and this is how it looks. And then you open it, and then you get a bunch of perfume samples on the inside. You also get this little like, it's a bunch of the papers that you use to test the perfumes. It was $18, so of course I had to grab it because recently I've been obsessed with perfumes. I've been getting into perfume a lot, and I think this was just the perfect way to test out a bunch of perfumes without investing in, you know, full bottles that cost a lot, because all these perfume right here are niche perfumes. So niche just basically means that the house that makes these perfumes just makes only perfumes. I tried the Juliet Has a Gun, not a perfume. I really like it. I also tried the Montel Intense Cafe, and that is my absolute favorite. It's just this beautiful rose, like creamy rose, and then it turns into a creamy vanilla chocolatey coffee, and I am here for it. I haven't really tried the rest just yet, but I'll probably try them out and maybe do a video more in depth on, you know, all of this, and also my little perfume collection behind there. So if that's something that you guys want to see, just let me know, and I'll definitely do that. So this is everything in the box, and yeah, we're gonna dive in because I'm so excited. I want to smell and just touch everything. So let's start. Majority of the products in here are for my husband because I picked these up when they had the men's sale a few days ago. I also had like a whole bunch of rewards that was expiring the following day, so I decided to just use it and grab a few things for him. I also got a couple of free products because I also had some rewards that gave me free products. I did not spend much at all on this haul. I think I spent around $21 including shipping, so I thought that was a great deal and I'm fine with that. So let me show you guys all the things that I got. Alright, so the first thing that I'm going to show you is for my husband, and it is this Hero Ultra Sheer Body Cream. So the notes in this are fresh cardamom, vetiver root, and white cedar. This smells so good. So next I picked this up, and this is just a body wash in the same Hero line. And you know, Bath and Body Works, they always make 3-in-1 for the men. This is hair, face, and body wash. My husband only used this on his body though. It has the same notes, and I love how they ship this. It is so secure. They put like this plastic piece on top, so that was pretty good. I like that. The next product is for him again, and this is a body wash, and this is the Clean Slate line. Yeah, we have the body cream in this one, so I already knew that I was gonna love it, so I decided to just grab the matching body wash for him. And the notes are marine citrus, blue sage, and sandalwood. It's just like a beautiful aquatic, citrusy, slightly sweet and spicy smell, or herby smell, and I really do like it. This will be perfect for him in the summertime with that citrus and the aquatic notes and all of that. This is perfect. And then another product that I picked up for him is this right here, and this is a body wash. This is just a travel size, and this is in the scent Oasis. So they say this is a fresh tropical blend of coconut water, seaside lavender, and wild palm. So let me smell it to see, because it sounds good. I get the coconut, and I definitely get the lavender, and then I get like a green scent going on, really green scent, and I guess that is probably from the palm. But yeah, I love it. It smells good. This is so it's a travel size. It'll be great for vacation in the summer, so I'm glad I picked this one up. The last product that I have in here for my husband is a cologne, and it is this like mini travel size. It is in the scent bourbon, and he has a body wash in this scent, and I really do love the smell of it on his skin. They said it's a smooth blend of white pepper, dark amber, and Kentucky oak. So let's, you know, get a whiff of this. You can already smell that, and I am loving it. Guys, oh, this smells so good. I definitely recommend this if you're looking for something for maybe Father's Day. Father's Day is coming up soon, so this will be a great gift. They have the bigger size, and they also have it in the body wash and the lotion. I think any male would definitely love this. It is just a beautiful scent. It's masculine. It's not offensive at all. It is just a yummy, sweet, woody, you know, masculine, slightly spicy scent. Not too spicy. I definitely recommend this, and I see why I like it. All right, so the last two products that I grabbed are for me. Of course, I had to buy something for myself, and these were free too. I got these I had like 2 free rewards, and I used them to get something for myself. So these are from the new summer line. These are the Midsummer Dream, and everybody has been raving and been so excited about the new drop, the new summer drop. And yeah, I'm so happy that I got my hands on them, and I'm even more happy that they were free. So the notes in this are salted pear, fresh nectarine, and seaside lily. Yeah, after reading the notes, this one kind of seemed like the one that I would like the most. Of course, I'm gonna try the rest, but this just sounded like the one that I would like the most, and a lot of people seem to like this one. So we're gonna smell it and see how it smells. I am already smelling that. Oh. So the first thing that I get is the pear. That is kind of literally all I get. It's just a sweet, salty, this is sweet, salty pear. So you guys, the longer this stays on my skin and sits, the better it gets to me. First, when you spray the opening, it's like a fruity sweet balm, but when it actually sits on your skin for maybe like a few minutes, not long at all, it develops in a more like perfumey scent to me. Like the sweetness goes down a little bit, and I definitely smell the nectarine coming in. All the notes just blend together to give it like a beautiful higher end perfumey kind of scent. Well, let me try the cream real quick, see what I get. The cream gives that, that little sophisticated higher end smell that I'm telling you about, that you get from the dry down in the mist. You get that right away from the cream. You get more of that salted pear like straight away. So I am definitely loving that. I am loving this. I really do. Like, I'm not mad at all, and the packaging is just so pretty. It's perfect for summer. Alright, you guys, so that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, because I did. Like, I enjoyed everything I picked up, even the men's product. They smell so good and refreshing. I know my husband will love them, and I will definitely enjoy smelling these on him. But even better, I am so happy that I grabbed these. I'm happy I did good. I did good. This was a very successful haul. Yeah, so if you enjoyed the video, let me know by hitting that thumbs up button. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, and also leave a comment below and let me know what was your favorite, if you've tried them, what is your favorite line from Bath and Body Works new summer line. And I'll see you guys in the next video.